How to log in into Amazon Prime student account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Amazon Prime student portal and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Click on this one website option, amazon.com, open it. With that, you will land to the official website of Amazon. Now over here, you'll find this option of Try Prime Student. Click on it. With that, you will land to the login page. Now from this page, you are able to log into your account. All you have to do is provide your credentials. Firstly, type in your email or phone number. Likewise, type in your password. In the case you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option to recover it. If you want to keep yourself signed in, check in for this option, Keep Me Signed In. Once you fill this, click on the option of Sign In, and with that, you will be logged into your account. If you haven't registered for your account yet, you can click on this option of Create a new Amazon account and do that. So that's all for this video. This is how you can easily log in into Amazon Prime student account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.